This is Weather 6000 coming to you live with extended weather coverage all afternoon for the severe weather that is expected up and down the mid-Atlantic through the Northeast. And as you can hear, I have my NOAA weather radio running in the background. A tornado watch has been issued for portions of Virginia through Maine. And I'm going to let that announcement run for you here as soon as it comes up in one moment, and then I will pick up my conversation shortly. Now, as you heard, I do expect the tornado watch to be expanded throughout the Commonwealth of Virginia, but the National Weather Service in Wakefield, Virginia has not expanded the watch at this time, but I do presume that it will, in fact, take place. I'm going to go ahead and give you a look at your SB Cape values. One moment, please. And as you can see, the SB Cape values through Virginia down through portions of the Outer Banks of North Carolina are extremely high. 2,000 to 2,500 in some cases in Virginia. At this point, I'm going to give you a look at your severe index. And this computer model is not favorable for the severe weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the computer models at this time, and to show you the severe weather that is projected to occur. So if you'll give me one moment. And as you can see at the 3 hour mark, that's where the severe weather should be at this point. Now I'm going to advance it another 3 hours, just to give you a look at where the the severe weather should be. And then you go ahead and you see the severe weather really packing a punch in the Richmond area. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in on particular locations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my and there you see the counties that could be greatly affected by the severe weather in Virginia within the next 3 to 6 hours. Now I'm going to advance it another 3 hours for you. And you will see we are still in the thick of the severe weather, and Virginia is still under the gun. And as I mentioned this morning, the western portion, northern and western portions of the state would pretty much be safe of severe weather, and it would be the central portions that would be dealing with the roughest part of the weather today. Now I'm going to advance it another 3 hours. And you will still see that we will be dealing with severe weather, and that is through Sunday evening. And so it's going to be a rough evening around the Commonwealth of Virginia, everyone. So be prepared for severe weather in particular areas of Virginia, Chesterfield, Henrico, Short Pump, many areas. I could go down the list here, and as it is warranted, I will go down the list. So just be prepared for threatening weather if it does occur. Weather 6000 with expanded weather coverage for severe weather that is approaching the Commonwealth of Virginia within a matter of hours. Thank you and have a nice day, and as always, stay safe, everyone.